Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to add subitems to any SuperForm. SuperForm lets you create, edit, and manage subitems directly from your forms, with no need to open your Monday.com boards. Let's start with an example of an order form. Customers can fill in the order details like their name, address, email address, and phone number, and then add multiple products as subitems, all from a single form. In this form, each submission represents a customer order. That's our item. And under each order, we have subitems, the individual products being purchased. Subitems appear as a dedicated subform within SuperForm, making them easy to configure and even easier to use. Here you can see how the order looks when it enters the board. You can configure subitem settings in two ways, either by clicking on the subitems directly in the form, or by using the right side form editor. You can hide or show the subitem section, mark it as required. So every order must include at least one product and allow or restrict editing, creating, or deleting subitems. For example, you might allow users to add products, but not remove them once the order is submitted. You can also add conditional questions, so the subitem section appears only when it's actually relevant. For example, in a service request form, you might show the subitem section only if the user selects a request type like order with multiple items. This keeps the form cleaner and more tailored to the user's needs. Next, let's look at the layout. You can display subitems in either list view or table view, depending on how you want to present your data. In our order form, table view works great. It lets users see all products in a clear, structured grid. However, if your subitems include more than 5 or 6 columns, it's usually more user-friendly to switch to list view, where each product is displayed in a clean card-style format. You can also customize the Add Subitem button text. Maybe call it Add Product. You can also select one of your subitem columns to define the name that appears for each subitem. For example, if your product name is pulled in from a mirror column connected to a product catalog board, you can use that field to automatically populate the subitem name with the actual product name, instead of the default incoming form answer. This makes the subitem list clearer and easier to read. Inside the subitem section, you can configure every field. Just like at the item level, each product subitem might include fields like product name, quantity, price, and subtotal. SuperForms update forms take this even further with additional subitem filtering options. Let's say your board tracks product delivery statuses. After an order is submitted, the customer receives a confirmation email with a link to an update form, allowing them to check or update the delivery status of their products. You can configure this form to show only the subitems where delivery status is pending, so customers see just the relevant items for their order. You can also apply more advanced filters, like showing only subitems where the subitem status matches the item status, or combining multiple filters to fine-tune exactly what appears in the form. And just like with item fields, you can control whether users can edit certain subitem fields, for example, allowing them to update quantity or delivery date, but not price. And that's it. With SuperForm, subitems aren't just another data layer. They give you complete flexibility to collect, display, and update structured data all in one powerful form. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get the latest updates.